To connect Binance to DEX screener, follow these steps. Create a Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, visit Binance.com and create one. Complete any necessary identity verification steps required by Binance. Deposit funds. Deposit cryptocurrency into your Binance account. Ensure you have enough to trade or monitor through DEX screener. Set up a wallet. You can either use Binance Wallet or connect an external wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or others compatible with Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, or other networks supported by DEX screener. Connect Binance Wallet to DEX screener. Open DEX screener in your web browser. Click the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Select Binance Wallet or another compatible wallet provider, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet. For Binance, it may require signing in via the Binance account you created. Monitor trades. After connecting, you can track trades, monitor token prices, and perform research on decentralized exchanges supported by Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and more.